Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome back to Copper Jacket TV. So I know we've been talking a lot about the Supreme Court's decision in Bruen lately, but for good reason. Like I've said before, my opinion is that the Bruen decision is the most important Second Amendment decision that the Supreme Court has probably ever made. And that includes Heller. And that's because Bruen actually has an effect across the country on just about every law that has been created regarding the 2A since the founding of our nation. Okay, that's because every decision that's been made that has not used text, history, and tradition is now up for debate, and that includes the NFA. Hey, I want to thank everybody very much for watching these videos. Trust me, I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. It only takes a second, but it helps me out quite a bit. And if you want to support this channel, support the main sponsor of this channel, which is the USCCA. The USCCA is 100% risk-free, but with your membership, you get things like self-defense, liability, insurance, which is, trust me, the best peace of mind you could ever have in your wallet. You get the magazine, you get online education and training, and they help you prepare for a self-defense incident should it actually come up. So with that said, let's go ahead and get to the video. Now, I think most people watching this video probably at least have a basic understanding that the NFA and the GCA were the two most restrictive things to ever happen to the Second Amendment in this country. But you want to keep one thing in mind. It wasn't created because of text and history. It was created for government interest. It wasn't created because it balanced the rights of the people versus the history, text, and tradition of this country. No, it was created for other reasons. That means that it is completely open season for the NFA to be finally overturned based off of the decision in Bruen. Now, the reason I say Bruen can overturn the NFA is because if there was a case that went to court challenging the NFA, one of the arguments couldn't be what it was originally created for, which is, the government's interests, right? You can't use that anymore. You have to simply look at text, history, and tradition. Those are rules that were set forth by the Supreme Court in Bruen. Bruen said from now on, you have to abandon the two-step approach. You can't consider, government interests and things like that. It's a right, and so therefore, with this right, you have to simply look at text and history in order to make your decision. And if you look at text and history, there is no way that something as all-encompassing and as restrictive as the NFA would ever be able to hold up. Now, even though this video is talking more specifically about the NFA, try and keep in mind what I said earlier, is that Bruen has an effect on every single law that was created that restricts our 2A rights that use that two-step approach. Every one of them. Every single one of them. So if new cases are brought before the courts, they would have to reevaluate these cases using the new rules, again, set forth by the Supreme Court. And so everything that is on the books right now, that it was decided that way, deserves a new challenge. It's not just the NFA. But I'm thinking that the NFA would be a great place to start, given the fact that it was such a massive infringement when it was written. So I don't think there should be a tax and a special permit and, fees and wait times and stuff associated with anything. So that's my own personal belief, and hopefully we'll see that actually come to fruition. So remember, just about everything is affected by Bruen, and that's why it's such a big deal and why you guys will probably continue to hear about it for decades to come. Now, I want to thank you all very much for watching. Again, I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. You guys have a great day, and, well, it's Friday, so you guys have a great weekend as well.